In an earlier video, someone asked me what my biggest regret was. And I pretty quickly said, hey, that I didn't focus on my health earlier. As you know, I retired at 54. I'm currently 58. I had a great career, but a career that had stress in it. And one of the means that I used to deal with that stress was eating. I've always exercised, always thought I was in pretty good shape, but I was eating pretty poor. I was really fooling myself. So I mentioned that focusing on my health, and I really stand by that. But in a follow-up discussion with an individual that I was actually mentoring, asked me what was my biggest career mistake. What would I do differently in my career? Now, you may not know, but I was an engineer, and I migrated into leadership roles: production management, plant management, maintenance management. And I loved my career. I loved working with individuals, getting the best out of individuals, knocking down barriers, and helping the team be successful. I love that. Biggest mistake I made, very easy to say, is that I did not rely on mentors early enough in my career. Yes, I had bosses that coached me, guided me, helped me a lot, but that's only one person. I should have surrounded myself by at least two, maybe three people coaching me through my career, tapping into their experience, their life experiences, career experiences to accelerate me. We all face the same challenges in leadership roles. They're all the same things. How did you solve them? What lessons did you learn? What would you do differently? Learning those lessons in my 20s and 30s and 40s through mentoring and coaching rather than experience would have greatly accelerated my career. And I think I know it can for you too. So I tell people to read people's life lessons, that they collapse 40 years of history or their history into one 8-hour book, but also get a mentor, get a coach in your 20s and in your 30s. I'm telling you, from a professional standpoint and from a financial standpoint, it will make a world of difference. The number one thing you need to do and invest in for financial independence is invest in yourself. Get a career where you make more money. It'll also make your career a lot more fulfilling. You'll be right more often, and you'll have more promotions, more opportunities with a coach. So it's my long answer to what would I do differently. My biggest regret about my career is that I didn't have multiple coaches throughout my 32-year career. This is Joe out.